Good morning, YouTube. Today, we're gonna fix the old wobble on this Ferrari F430 side view mirror.
So are you recording all of the nefarious activities?
If you're new to the channel, my name is Dan, and this Ferrari F430 has one of the common problems on a Ferrari F430, which is that the side view mirror wobbles. So we're gonna take it off and take it apart and hopefully fix it. Sometimes you can, sometimes you can't, because there's a little rubber piece right here, and sometimes it's just gone. But we're gonna try and fix this one. Real quick, before we get going, like, share, and subscribe, hit the notification bell, check out normalguysupercar.com and ngsupercars.com. That's our dealership website where you can buy this particular car. All right, guys, so there are some Torx screws right here. They are T20s. There's 3 of them. It's best if you have a little adapter like this. You can order these on Amazon. They're pretty cheap. You can see Torx T20 and a tiny little ratchet. Makes it very easy to get in there. So let me show you, we'll pop it off. All right, T20. So sometimes these screws have stripped out the rubber that they screw into, and other times it's the actual rubber mount. So we'll see what's going on here and try and make it better. I see a little bit of debris came out. All right, so pop it off. Oh, this one's a little bit tight. Tighter. Hold on. Need a little bit more room. Here, we can go forward. There we go. Okay, so here's what we're looking at. See these little rubber blocks? They get loose. So either the screws going into the block get loose, or these screws that hold on that rubber block actually get loose. And this one, yep. So the block itself is moving around. So what we need to do is try and tighten those three Phillips screws that are holding down that rubber block. So got Phillips screw. Oh yeah, look at that. Super loose. Don't over tighten these because it'll strip out the plastic that's in. Yeah, look at that. That one was loose too. And this last one down here. All right. Now let's put it back together. Got my little Torx screws again. Let's get started by hand first. There we go. Gotta get just right. Come on. I'm not gonna tighten it all the way until I get the other ones in there. There it goes. Whoop, nope. Almost had it. Got to go in a little bit. Now again, don't over tighten these because they'll just blow out the rubber that they're screwed into. So you gotta get them until they're just snug a little bit. There. There. Look at, no more wobble. Yeah. All right, so here's the thing. That was kind of an ideal situation. A lot of times that rubber block is screwed up or the mount is screwed up, so sometimes you're gonna have to either try and replace the rubber block or use a bigger screw or put in some epoxy or glue or something in there to get those screws to grab. So you kind of got to play it by ear. There you have it, fixed mirrors, no more wobble. Go check out normalguysupercar.com and NG Supercars. We do appreciate your guys' support. We'll see you in the next one. We're gonna be doing a lot of cool car stuff. You're gonna want to stay tuned. It's gonna be sweet.